A white SUV approaches a red light but completely ignores it, barreling through the intersection without slowing down. It nearly hits another car that's legally crossing on green. Moments later, the SUV suddenly swerves into another lane without warning, slamming into a smaller vehicle. The video captures a tense driving situation where a vehicle in the middle of the frame begins to creep unpredictably into another lane. It makes a sudden, signal-free lane
change. Maybe somebody else will take it over. I bet they don't. It's been family.
Every time you get behind the wheel, you're not just driving a vehicle, you're carrying responsibility. For yourself, for your passengers, for the families in the cars around you. One choice, one glance at your phone, one missed signal, one risky move, can change everything in a split second. Safe driving isn't about being perfect. It's about being present. It's about slowing down when you're tired, stopping when the light turns red, thinking twice before merging. It's about having the humility to recognize that a few seconds saved is never worth a life lost. You don't have to be a hero behind the wheel. Just be smart. Be kind. Be alert. Because at the end of the day, the best driver is the one who gets everyone home safely. This video's a great example of how one careless driver can throw off an entire traffic flow. Whether it's distraction or